Hello beautiful people, good day to you all. Welcome to Chef Recipes. In today's video we are going to make strawberry jam. So that is what we are going to make in today's video. But before I get into that, I would like to say, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Mary Ann. If you are coming to this channel for the first time, my name is Mary Ann Naji. And if you're an old viewer, thank you for stopping by. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you can feel free to click that red button that says subscribe. At the same time, remember to click the bell so that whenever we upload any new videos, you get to be notified. That is the essence of clicking the bell. So let's just dive into the video. Today we are going to make strawberry jam recipe, and all we need for this recipe is just two ingredients: the strawberry and the sugar. So let's dive into the kitchen. Right now you can see this strawberry. I have already washed them and peel off the leaves there. I'm transferring the strawberry into my cooking pot, and the strawberry is about 3.4 kg. So, and I'm transferring it into the pot and adding my sugar. I'm going to use 1 kilo of sugar in making this because the strawberry is big, 3 kilo and almost 3 kilo and a half. So, and I'm using 1 kilo of sugar. We all know how strawberry is beautiful, it scents very well, but when it comes to taste, the thing it slaps like. So we all know everything, so you need to add sugar to be able to get what you want. So right now you can see I've covered it and it's boiling. I'm going to be cooking this for some minutes. So and that is it. Cooking it, letting it cook for a while. You know how strawberry is. It's watery. It's a kind of fruit that contains more of water. So but even as we are using it for our jam, when it's cold it will still be stiff, it will not be watering like before. The sugar, that is why we use the sugar. So that is it. So right now we are cooking the recipe, the strawberry and the sugar together. We'll let it cook for a while. Sometimes I do turn it, and when the bubble is coming out, trying to pour everything away, I will open my pot and continue to stir. You can see the fruits is getting cooked little by little. So, and when I'm done doing this, we all know that strawberry is in fact, everybody loves it. Strawberry jam, that's what we are preparing. So right now I'm stirring it. The next thing I'll do is to let it cook again, because it's not yet, it's still remaining a bit to get ready to be used, but it's not yet ready. So I'll leave it to cook for a while. Then after some minutes I will now mix it with my hand mixer. So right now is a bit, you can see is normal now. So what we do is just to mix it with our hand mixer, so that we can be able to mix those little, so that everything will be smooth. You know how tomato paste is, so that is how it's supposed to be. And since everything will blend it with this hand mixer to get it to the smoothest. If you know how you want it to be, just do it, and that is it. So next thing is just to leave it to cool, so that you can transfer it to your bowl or whatsoever. Me, I'm using glass of some jars glass jar. So I transferred mine there. We use it to, it's, my children love it so much. So during the summer season is when I did this, because during the summer season is when you will get the strawberry. It's not always, it's not it's a seasonal fruit. So that's it, and you serve it, you let it cook in the fridge for some minutes or hours, depends, and your jam is ready. Strawberry jam is ready. So thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. I'm really grateful to see you all here. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye.